Okay, Sonic Gamer here. Sonic Gamer here, back again with another video. This time it's another update. So, remember back when I said that I lost my headphones? Well, I got new ones. Well, earbuds rather. They're the Dream Gear earbuds, and they do have a built-in mic, so hoping that would work. This kind would actually work for my reaction videos, which I am going to test out. Yeah, hopefully it works, because I actually preferred it with the reaction videos with the headphones and mic. So yeah, let's go test it out.
Okay, so there's the test. Really hoping this mic on my earbuds really work. I am going to be testing the video I've already seen. Just to prevent spoilers. I think I'll try one of 8-beat videos. Feed me ads, bad links. Between animations. Alright. Yep. Yeah. Mama. Yep. I was actually in this live stream. Yeah, you see me there?
I don't know. Okay, thank you.
Wait, hold on. Okay, right there. I have to be up here watching the dogs, and I'm trying to be very quiet because my dad's sleeping. Yeah, so... yeah, I think I've done enough here. So, I sure hope it was a success.